Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Safe Paw Pet Safe Ice Melt. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Winter weather can be tough, but keeping your family, including your furry friends, safe shouldn't be. That's where Safe Paw Pet Safe Ice Melt comes in. Unlike traditional ice melts that contain harsh chemicals and salts, Safe Paw is 100% salt-free and non-toxic, making it completely safe for pets, kids, and the environment. It works fast to melt ice and prevent refreezing for up to 72 hours, all without damaging your concrete, grass, or decking. Plus, it's veterinarian recommended and won't burn sensitive paws or leave harmful residues behind. Keep your walkways clear and your pets happy with Safe Paw, because winter safety should never come at the cost of your pet's well-being. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.